So it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded my last video, but we are now at our new store in Oasis Shopping Centre. Just going to run through a quick video with you today on how to with toilet bombs. Toilet bombs are an alternative to the duck cleaner that you usually use. Now you spray it underneath the toilet seat. You simply just pop toilet bomb into the bowl of your toilet and it will fizz up. I like to crunch mine up first and then drop it in because I feel like it rises higher and it has more of a reach. So there's two different ones that we have in store. We've got the smaller one, or if you've got lots of boys in your house, there is a bigger one. So with these toilet bombs, you can just use the silicone ice trays. That's what we use, and we make these in store. I'll pop the recipe in the description box below, but you just need bicarb soda, citric acid, essential oils, and you need a combining liquid agent. We swap between Dr. Bronners and our Kin dishwashing liquid. Doesn't matter which one you choose. Price-wise, the Kin would be the cheaper option. To make one of these, I think it's probably around 40 cents to 50 cents each. We sell these for 60 cents or 10 for 5. Just if wherever you can source the citric acid from and bicarb soda, try and buy it in bulk. It will be less. We sell the citric acid and bicarb soda here, as well as the Dr. Bronners and the Kin. We sell that at both of our shops. Have a lovely day.